How to connect Nova to Bullx Neo. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Now for us to get this done, the first thing that we're going to do is head over to Bullx Neo, and basically we're just going to go ahead and log in here. Next we're going to go ahead and type click.tradeonnova.io and you should be redirected here. From this point forward, you're going to go ahead and click the download button right here, and basically you're going to go ahead and download this Nova extension. Now this, however, is actually not the one that we're going to be using, and I'm going to show you why. So as you can see, there are two different Nova extensions here. One is not pinned, and I'm going to show you what's going to happen. So if you're going to click the one that's not pinned, it's going to say here that there's a new version available, so there is an extension. And the way that you're going to do that is just click this blue and the way that you are going to do that is just click this one right here, and don't worry, this is still in relation to the Chrome extension that we're going to be using, which is what I have right here. Now here you're going to download the extension. I have downloaded this one already, and then we're going to head over to the manage extensions. From here you're going to turn on the developer mode, and then you're going to go ahead and click load and pack, and then you are basically just going to go ahead and look for that Nova folder. So I have already selected mine here, and basically once you've installed it, it's going to look like this. As you can see, Nova extension 2.1.4, and that is what we are using here. Yeah, once you're done with that, you can just go ahead and open that one and then tap the save button, and you are good to go. Now we're just going to go ahead and close all of these, and we're just going to head over here. I'm gonna go ahead and click connect Telegram, and then what's gonna happen is that it's gonna redirect you here, and then you're going to go ahead and just copy this link or just launch that one. I'm just going to copy it and then paste it here. Now the moment I do that, what's going to happen is that it's going to show you that you are connected. So you can just go ahead and click got it. Now we're going to head over back here, and there's something that we need to do. I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here, and then we're going to click on menu, and then from here what we are going to do is click on our wallets right here, and then we're going to export our private key. So this is going to allow us to basically export our private key to say for example, or integrate our wallet key, say for example, to Bullx Neo. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this one. All right, once you're done with that, we're going to head over to the browser. Here in Bullx Neo, we're going to go ahead in the left side corner and open our wallet manager. We're going to import a new one, so click the import button here. We're going to work on Solana and of course the private key. So we're going to head over this one rather. So the second, I'm going to paste it here, click import wallet, and you can see that now it's up here. So yep, that's just basically how you're gonna work this one right here. Congratulations everybody, that's how you're going to connect Nova to Bullx Neo.